Financial education after 50. The impact of artificial intelligence on human life. What if I told you that the world is changing faster today than ever before? In the next 10 years, artificial intelligence may change our lives more than the internet did. Some people believe AI will create incredible opportunities. Others worry that machine will replace human workers and change the way society functions. So the question becomes simple. Is artificial intelligence good for humanity, or is it something we should worry about? Today we are going to talk about how artificial intelligence is already changing human life and what it may mean for our future. Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Education After 50. I am Saleem Hussain. On this channel, we talk about money, life, decisions, and preparing for the future after the age of 50. Because after 50, the goal is not just growth. The goal becomes stability, wisdom, and understanding the changes happening in the world around us. One of the biggest changes happening today is artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer system that can learn, analyze information, and make decisions similar to humans. You may think AI is something futuristic, but the truth is we already use AI every day. When your phone recognizes your face to unlock, that is AI. When Netflix suggests a movie you may enjoy, that is AI. When Google's give you the best search results within seconds, AI is working behind the scene. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of everyday life without many people even noticing it. How AI will change human life? Artificial intelligence will influence three major areas of our life. First is work and employment. Many repetitive tasks can now be performed faster by computers. Data entry, simple customer service responses, and basic administrative work can be handled by AI systems. This means some jobs will change or disappear. However, new opportunities will also appear. Technology specialists, data analysts, digital creators, and AI trainers are examples of careers growing because of this technology. The key lesson is adaptation. People who learn how to work with technology will benefit the most. Second is healthcare. AI systems are helping doctors analyze medical scans and detect disease earlier than before. Artificial intelligence can help identify early signs of cancer, predict heart problems, and assist researchers in developing new medicines. For people over 50, this development is extremely important because better technology can mean longer and healthier lives. Third is daily convenience. AI is helping create smarter homes, smarter transportation, and more efficient services. Voice assistant can help manage schedules, answer questions, and organize tasks. In the future, self-driving cars could allow older adults to travel safely even when driving becomes difficult. The risk of AI, powerful technology also bring risk. One concern is job disruption. Workers may need to learn new skills to remain competitive. Another concern is privacy. Artificial intelligence systems rely on large amount of data, and protecting personal information becomes very important. There is also the risk of overdependence on technology. Humans must continue to think critically and make responsible decisions. Technology should support human life, not replace human wisdom. What should we do after 50? Many people believe learning new technology after 50 is difficult. But understanding technology today is similar to understanding electricity many years ago. You may not need to build it yourself, but you should understand how it affects your life. Learning basic AI tools can help save time, improve productivity, and open new opportunities. Staying curious and open to change is one of the most valuable skills in today's world. Artificial intelligence will not replace humanity, but people who understand technology will always have an advantage over those who ignore it. Every generation faces change. The printing press change, education, electricity change, industry, the internet change, communication. Now artificial intelligence is beginning another major transformation. The real question is not whether AI will change our lives. The real question is how wisely we will choose to use it. If you found this discussion helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. This is a financial education after 50 where we discuss smart decisions for the future. See you in next episode. Bye.
AI is revolutionizing healthcare, from early diagnostics and personalized treatments to robotic surgery and preventative care. It's enhancing every step. AI is not just changing medicine, it is creating the future of our well-being.